Did you know you can update all your Windows apps using just one command? No Microsoft Store, no clicking, just pure speed. First, open a Start menu, search CMD and run command prompt as administrator. Now type this code, Winget upgrade, and press enter. After pressing enter, it will show some list. Type another code, Winget upgrade, all. Press enter and see the magic. Windows will automatically check and update all supported apps on your PC. This method is fast, powerful, and perfect for advanced users. Follow for more Windows tips and command line tricks.